To get a transmission project up in Victoria or New South Wales or Tassie or South Australia, it has to go through this regulatory investment test and transmission, which is their very, very basic cost-benefit analysis. The legislation actually states they need to specifically exclude any social, environmental, or wider economic costs. They are only allowed to consider in this cost-benefit analysis the concrete, the steel, the labour, and to some extent the land compensation required for an energy project, and compare that to the benefit to the energy market. So they don't actually look at bills, they don't actually look at how much a consumer is going to have to pay for this, they only look at the benefit to the energy market. So that's the owners, the operators, and the users of transmission, I suppose. So the benefit may be measured to a company in Singapore, a superannuation company in Singapore who owns this infrastructure, and their benefit is what's being assessed against the cost of this infrastructure. So it's a broken process, completely broken process. We need to start including the environmental and the economic impact of these projects. The emotional impact of these projects has to be assessed and considered as a part of this cost-benefit analysis. We need to get better and more clear rules and rights around land access. We cannot have people threatening legal action if you don't let people on your farms. You don't have to. Go for it. Send them to court, let them get Section 93 access, and then let them find a police officer who knows how to enforce Section 93 access. We also need proper compensation. This, I finally come to realise that this is a steamroller. There is so much energy and power behind this. It is going to go somewhere. There are going to be 27,000 kilometres of transmission lines built in this country in the next 20 years. We need to make sure that farmers are looked after. We need to make sure that proper commercial consent arrangements are in place.